My name is Melanie. I'm a nurse, and my journey has taken me to Palomar Pomerado Heatlh.
My name is Elizabeht, and this is Champ, and I'm a registered nurse, and our journey has led us to Palomar Pomerado Heatlh.
My main decision for joining the nursing journey was that I grew up being diagnosed with thyroid cancer at the age of 9, and in that time period of being in the hospital, which was through PPH, I looked at the nurses, how profound they were in my care, and it was just so overwhelming to see how much they cared for me. I wanted to turn that around and give it back to others.
Healthcare for me was a life calling. Growing up, it's kind of something I've always wanted to do. It's the only job that you can come home from every day and know that you've helped someone, and know that you're out there to do some good, and it's a great feeling.
I think the best thing I love about my job is when I first became a nurse, I could tell right off the bat that this was definitely a place I needed to work, because the teamwork was so positive. People are there to support you through your career. Anytime you have an educational question or a clinical question, somebody was there to help watch your back and get you back on track. And just knowing that your comments and your experiences mean something to somebody is just absolutely awesome.
My favorite thing about PPH is how wonderful they treat the nurses. You would think that we ran the world if you saw how great they are to us. I have personally met the chief nurse executive and the CEO of the hospital 3 times, and I worked there just a short amount of time. They've each asked me how I'm doing at PPH and how they could better improve my experience at this hospital. And it just goes to show their commitment and passion for this hospital.
At PPH, we have a hospital of the future that will be opening in the next couple of years, and it's going to be full of technology that is just going to make nursing career so amazing. Nurses will want to come to work at this kind of hospital, and we're a magnet facility now, just awarded magnet, and this is the kind of place that is a perfect start for a new nurse.
The journey from becoming a student into a nurse has been a long and bumpy one, but it's been the most rewarding and wonderful experience of my life. And I could not have become such a wonderful OR nurse without PPH. So I want to thank them for their time, their effort, their money they have spent on me, molding me and guiding me to be the best OR nurse I can be. Thank you, PPH, for all your time and effort.